What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to have some examples regarding multiplication of square roots. The first example is 10 square root of 6p to the power of 3 times 3 root 18p. The answer is 10 times 3 is going to be 30, it's going to sit here. 6 times 18 and p cubed times p, which is going to be p to the power of 4. Then here we have 30 and here we have 108. That's 108 p to the power of 4. That makes it 30 square root of 108 p to the power of 2, because square root of p to the power of 4 is p to the power of 2. 108 here is 36 times 6, 36 times 3. So we have 30 square root of 36 times square root of 3 times p squared. And the square root of 36 is 6. So we have 30 times 6 root 3 p squared, which is 180 root 3 p squared, or we can write it as 180 p squared root 3. Next example, root 2 to the power of 2. Answer. Root 2 to the power of 2 is going to be root 2 times root 2. Root 2 times root 2 is going to be root 4, and the square root of 4 is 2. Next example. Minus square root of 11 squared. So the answer will be negative root 11 times negative root 11. Negative times negative is going to be positive. 11 times 11 is going to be 121. Square root of 121 is just 11. Next example. Square root of 12. Square root of 12 to the power of 2. The answer is square root of 12 times square root of 12 is going to be 12 times 12, 144. Square root of 144 is 12. Next example, we have negative root 15 squared. Answer is negative root 15 times negative root 15. That makes it negative times negative is going to be positive root 225. Square root of 225 is just 15. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.